Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential concept for anyone working with Unity 3D, creating pivot points. Whether you're designing characters, animating objects, or building complex environments, understanding how to set and manipulate pivot points can take your projects to the next level. In this video, we'll explore what pivot points are, why they're crucial for your workflow, and walk through step-by-step methods to create and adjust them in Unity. So grab your favorite snacks, get comfortable, and let's jump right in. Right-click in the hierarchy window and select Create Empty, and named it to Pivot Point. Right-click in hierarchy window, select 3D Object Cylinder, set its position to 0, 0, 0, its rotation 0, 90, 90 and scale 0.1, 5, 0.1 x, y, z respectively. Rotate cylinder. As you see, the cylinder game object is rotate from center currently. Now set the cylinder game object Z position to 5 and set it as child of pivot point game object. Now, change pivot point game object Z scale and change Y rotation or X rotation of pivot point game object. As result, you can see the scale or rotation of cylinder is start scaling or rotation from pivot point game object, so now the pivot point is set. We're so grateful for your support and for being part of our community. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Your likes and subscriptions mean the world to us. Thank you for watching.